Boggle, how to play. The object of the game is to spot more unique words than your friends. Setup. Remove the timer and give each player a paper and pen. Put the lid on and shake the grid, mixing the letters, wiggling it until the cubes fall into place. When everyone is ready, flip the timer and remove the lid. Players now race each other to write down as many unique words from the letters provided. Words must be at least 3 letters long, and each sequential letter must be adjacent to the previous letter horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. You are not allowed to use the same letter twice in the same word, and you are not allowed to jump over letters. They must be adjacent. Any word in any tense and any form may be used as long as it appears in an agreed English dictionary. Words within words are allowed. For example, if you find PEAR, you can also score PEA and EAR, so long as you write them down. Proper nouns are not allowed. Multiple meanings of words that have the same spelling only count once. The same word in multiple areas on the grid only count once. The QU cube counts as 2 letters, and you can use plurality to get more than one word. When the timer runs out, everyone stops writing. One at a time, each player goes through their list out loud. If any player has a duplicate word, then all players cross them off and no one scores points for that word. Once everyone has gone and only the unique words remain, you score points. Words that are 3 or 4 letters long are worth 1 point. 5 letters is worth 2 points. 6 letters is worth 3 points. 7 is worth 5. And 8 or more letters is worth 11 points. Play again and continue to add up points. Once a player reaches a predetermined number, or a set time, or a number of rounds, the player with the most points wins.